Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Please, before we start, make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment. Here I have nextcloud installed on my system. It's an RPM based system, in particular running Alma Linux. And the installation, I did a video about it. Check the cards. It's using the RPM packages. I took them from Fedora. You will see everything in the video. So after you do what I did in that video, there are some extra steps to get your nextcloud working in your computer. Okay, so this is the video about such thing. It's using Apache. You need to have Apache running. I guess you don't need to do a lot of configuration. All you have to do is to install it. And then you need to have also mariadb. So you need to have Apache installed. The package, it's called httpd. You just run this command. I'm gonna run it just to show you, like this. You put your password for sure, since it's for sudo. For me, I have it installed. And then you start the service. That's all you have to do to have Apache running on your system. We can check the status. It's supposed to be running, otherwise we will not be able to see nextcloud as you have seen. Alright, so that's the first thing you need to do. Second thing is MySQL or mariadb. Well, I'm just trying to make it the simplest possible. For example, I skipped the part of securing Apache server, which you are of course supposed to do. Maybe we can make a video about it if you want. So to install MySQL, you just run this command. It's installed. I guess the command is not like this, so this is something different for Alma Linux mariadb server, I guess, like this. Yes, that's how you install it, and then you just run sudo systemctl to start it. Enable -- now mariadb server, like this. Yes, service, like this, dot service. I guess it's wait, MySQL. MySQL-d. Yes. It's a little different, but still very similar. Yes, so it's MySQL-d because it's running for me. I don't need to start it. It keeps saying like this. So you just start it. So after you start the service, which should be by running the command sudo systemctl enable -- now MySQL-d, you run this command to set up your MySQL server. It's gonna prompt you to choose the password and everything. It's known, it's common, and then you make the database the way it's just here. I'll put everything in the description. You run this command to access your database, like this. I don't remember. I wish I can remember the password. It's wrong, yes. So it's wrong. Alright, sometimes the error that you face this error before you prepare everything. So what should you do? For me, I faced the same error, although I was sure the password was correct. In such case, you just go to the configuration file. Is it in MySQL? I guess MySQL, right? Yes, my.conf, and then .d, and then yes, mariadb server.cnf. Alright, so you yes, this one, I kept it commented. I did not delete it. You add this line to your configuration. file in order to skip or ignore that error, and then you go and make the database the way it says here. You go and make it. I'll show you. You close this, yes, and then restart. Okay, and then when you run this, I did not put the password right now, you see, you enter this one, you make your database the way they suggest here, you put the password, you choose a password that you, whichever you like here, and then the username that you choose. I will not run it because I made that already. This one also you run it. I will try to run it, and it will say that it is made, and then you grant all the permissions to the user like this, but I will not run it because I ran it before and it's working as you have seen. And then you flush the privileges, you run this command, I'll show you, and then you exit like I'm gonna do now. Exit. What should you do next? You go back to your configuration, you delete or command this line, make sure you remember the password, and then you restart the service of MySQLD, or the one that's called MySQLD, which is hooked, or the service of mariadb server. You just run the command systemctl restart MySQLD after you delete that line or comment it in the configuration file as I have shown you, and then you run this command. After you go to you change directory here, you change directory like this, and then you run this command, which will make you install everything you need. Okay, how to run this command? What are the main things in it? First of all, here you choose the password for your username that you're gonna log in using it in your nextcloud page, which looks like the one I've shown you, this one. And then you choose the username here. You put the database user like the one that I have shown you right now. The one that you have put there, you put it here. The password that you made there, you put it here. The name of database, it's supposed to be nextcloud to make it simple for yourself. You can call it the way you like. You put it here. You run this command, it's supposed to work. And then once you have run that command, it's gonna be looking like this. Okay, so if you failed in running this command, just go to the configuration file as I said to you. You restart the service. Okay, you run this command because I fixed this error, and then you make the database for yourself. You run the commands that are in the wiki. I'm gonna show you right now. It's here. You run all these commands. Okay, and then you exit. You go back and comment or delete the line that I have shown you. You restart the service. Okay, and then you run the last. You change directory here, like the one that I have here. No, you change directory like this. Yeah, so it should be /usr/share/nextcloud, and then you run all this command with the details I have given you. You may need to add to your firewall the rules to allow HTTP and HTTPS. You have them here, and then you go to this file. Okay, and then you scroll down and you add to this array the IP addresses or the host names of your nextcloud server that are accessible. If you don't put it here, it's gonna complain. You put, let's say for example, you have set your host name like example.com, where you can access your nextcloud, you put it to this array. You want to have more than one, no problem. You want to have 10, it's okay. So here, if I want to access it using localhost from the machine itself, it's going to be accessed, okay? And then here, as long as I have it in this IP address, I can access it. You save and leave, and then you make this link. I have done it already. You make this same link, symbolic link, like this. It's already done, so I don't need to do it again. And then eventually you will be able to run it like this. Okay? I hope it's clear. Thanks for watching and cheers.